We have gathered to capitalize, combine this pink sweatshirt and these black denim trousers in unbreakable bond to make me modern clothes. How to make the people understood what we are doing today. The inspiration for today's project came from the most ancient game in the world, 8x8 board, the chess. And I simply downloaded chess board and printed it on A3 paper. Say a prayer to your God and place the print in the center. I don't think that only kids could use Sharpies. I make sure that these are washable. After that, of course, you should wash the piece. Typically, I don't use rulers. It's below my level. Всичко на ниво. I have made a wrong line. We should transfer our chessboard on the fabric. Cut here, 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 here. I use the knife to poke the holes, and after that I'm using the scissors to make the hole larger. I'm stopping few millimeters before the end of the line. This instrument is specifically for surgeons, but aren't we worth having this type of material? I feel discriminated. Unfortunately, I realized some stuff after I make half of the project. But my Aries temper never stop even knowing that something is wrong. I know that I will make it to work somehow. I don't know how, but I will make it to work somehow. Everything looks so gorgeously perforated. But the truth is 50% of this is just too much. This is my first mistake for this project. But I will make the things to work out. 1, 2, 3. In my channel, it became tradition to cut fabrics, to tear fabrics, not to cut them. This way, our denim after wash will have this great effect and it will stay this way forever. Nobody wanted to give second chance of these torn denim trousers. Instead of throwing them, I decided to give them not second but third chance because they had something yellow on them like a paint or something icky. I measure so the lines of the tapes and then I act really bravely and just tear them apart. After so many operations, I came to the part that I'm making it to look like a chessboard. Make sure that your sweatshirt, hoodie or whatever is made with synthetic fibers because the denim, if it's black or some kind of really dark color, will stain on your creation, and if you don't want this as effect, you should avoid using cotton type of materials in any case. If you don't want to make your life nightmare, find a sweatshirt without front pockets because it was really hard to decide what to do with these pockets. And now I'm revealing you the final result. I thought, well, we're finished, leave it that way, the people will not notice anything, but simply I truly didn't want to wear something that I don't believe in. In the next step, I will make the secret technique with thread and needle and we will make magic with them. I am using this technique because I have seen some emerging brands on Instagram doing really trashy stuff, and I thought, why we don't make this project trashy cool? As you can see, I have tucked some of the corners and some of the corners are out. If you want this type of effect, you should finish your design with eyelets.
Стига de juc. Виж как сте застанал гордо.
Okay, this is my showcase of the design. I truly don't want to look cocky. Whatever. I don't like to be egoistic, but I have to show you my design somehow. I have been to many places with this design. I have been to birthday parties, to wedding parties. Like, this is truly universal style for everyday use.